Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Follow me in the kitchen while I show you how to make this delicious Valentine's Day dinner from start to finish. Alright, so let's start by making our tortellini pasta. The ones I have here are stuffed with cheese and they are fresh. I also have some heavy whipping cream, freshly grated parmesan cheese, some basil and parsley, as well as onions and garlic paste. For the seasonings, I will be using some mushroom seasoning, creole seasoning, bouillon, and black pepper. And I have some white wine here. To a pot of boiling water, you want to add a little bit of salt. Add the pasta, mix well and allow it to go for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once it's done, run some cool water over it to stop the cooking process. To the same pot, I will add a pinch of oil, then we'll go in with some butter, allow that butter to melt, then we'll add our onions as well as our garlic. You want to mix well and allow it to go for about 2 minutes. Next, you want to add your white wine in there. If you don't want to use wine, you could use a little of that pasta water, or you can use chicken broth. We will allow this to go for 2 minutes, then we'll add our heavy whipping cream. Allow that to come up to a simmer before we add the rest of the ingredients. So at this point, you want to add your Parmesan cheese as well as the seasonings to add flavor and taste to the dish. You want to give it a good stir and allow it to thicken. Once that sauce reduces and it thickens, then you will add your pasta and we will add our fresh basil and parsley. Give it a good stir, make sure that the pasta is nicely coated, and that's it guys. The dish is super simple, but it is so delicious. I know you all will enjoy it. Now let's saute some asparagus. To a preheated skillet, I added some oil and butter. Next, we'll go in with some garlic paste. You want to give that a good stir and allow it to go for about a minute or so. Then we will add some seasoning to add flavor and taste to the asparagus. You want to add some creole seasoning, bouillon, and black pepper. Super simple. Then we will add our asparagus in here. Give it a good toss, and you want to toss it continuously for about 5 minutes. Do not overcook your asparagus or else it will be stringy, and it doesn't taste good when it's stringy. You want it to be nice and crunchy and super flavorful. So we'll stir this around for 5 minutes and that's it. It's all done. We can set it aside and transfer it to our serving dish. Now let's prepare our entree. Here I have 3 lobster tails and some shrimp. I will be seasoning with some butter, lemon pepper seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and some parsley. So I saved one of the lobster tails to show you guys how I prepped it. I used my kitchen scissors and just cut straight up the shell, the back of the shell. And you want to just prise it open, but be very gentle because you still want the shell to remain intact, so that it can display the lobster tail. You know, we want to use it as a stand for the lobster tail. So you want to prise it open and just lift the meat out like so and just place it over top. It's super simple. What I did was wash with some lemon juice, and yeah, that's it. Next, you want to combine the seasonings with the butter, mix well, and this will be used as the marinade for the lobsters and the shrimp. We will generously coat the lobsters and the shrimp with this butter mixture and allow it to sit for about, let's say, 5 minutes. Seafood don't take a long time to marinate. It marinates pretty quick. Next, you want to set your oven on broil, set it on high, and place these in the oven to broil for about 8 to 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, this is how they are looking. Absolutely perfect. Now you want to go in with some more melted butter. Add some melted butter over top, and then we'll add some fresh parsley for garnish. And that's it, guys. The recipe is super simple, but it is very, very delicious. And here you have it, tortellini pasta with lobster and shrimp. If you're looking to impress someone this Valentine's Day, trust me, they will be blown away with this dish. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.